McKenna.
I'm Addie.
I'm Hannah.
I'm Michelle.
And today we're going to do the iodine and cornstarch. The ingredients you will need is 2 cups of cornstarch and an iodine.
First, we're going to get the cornstarch, 2 cups. Next, we're going to do the iodine.
The next step, you have to swirl it. And you have to let it sit and then watch it turn colors. So we'll be back with part 2.
Hi guys, we are back with part 2.
As you can see, after we waited 15 minutes, we added a whole lot of iodine solution and it has not worked. We're gonna let it sit overnight and then we'll come back with part 3 tomorrow.
Hi guys, we're back and so we let this sit over the weekend and Addie will show you there was a little bit of a color change.
So it looks kind of like red right here.
To me, it looked like a jar rusted a little bit, and Michelle's going to tell us what she thought about it.
Well, I think that it changed color a little bit because on the outside it's a different color. The jar.
It got harder.